All right, we are about to open up dinner for everyone, but we wanted to first say thank you for all of you for coming. You guys are very special and important people in our life, and we're grateful that you took the time and money and energy to get down here and walking in the rain from your cars.
It smiles and true. It thinks no evil. It's how you are.
Hello, for those that you don't know me, I'm Anne, Stuart's mum, and I'd just like to thank you all for coming, making this special day extra special because of you're here.
And I suppose it's never gonna be perfect, but heaven knows I'll do my best to try. And when we reach the end, it will be worth it. It's you I get to choose for all mine. Oh, two souls crash into one.
On behalf of us all, thank you.
Nothing to add. No notes. Okay. So dinner's open, guys. Eat up and drink up and have a nice time with us.